Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the correct replacement bulb so you avoid returns, check the manual, or remove the old bulb for its part number. Once you have gloves, a flat screwdriver, and a 10 mm wrench, open the hood and secure the prop rod. Make sure the car is off and keys removed. This prevents electrical mishaps. Locate the headlight housing behind the headlamp. We begin at the engine bay access point because the 2012 Nissan Versa gives rear access without. You now disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the connector tab and pulling gently. This isolates the circuit and prevents damage. Next, locate the retaining clip or twist collar. Once you release it, note how it sat because reassembly requires the same orientation. Pull the bulb straight out without wobbling to avoid breaking the socket. If the bulb resists, double-check the clip. Patience avoids damage. Handle the bulb by its base only. Skin oils shorten halogen life, so wear gloves or use a clean rag. You install the new bulb by aligning its base tabs and pushing it straight into the socket. Then resecure the retaining clip or twist the collar until it locks because a loose bulb vibrates and fails early. Reconnect the electrical connector and reseat any components you moved, then gently close the hood. Turn on headlights and check both low and high beams. If the new bulb doesn't light, verify the connector, inspect the fuse, and try swapping bulbs to isolate wiring versus bulb failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.